attention to dangerous weather situations, especially the receiver automatic activates warning of any weather hazard. The weekly test of the no-weather radio warning device is normally conducted by the National Weather Service on every Wednesday, 2:11 a.m. at noon. Severe weather occurring are possible. The test will be closed the next weather day. The warning alarm is activated for weather warning. Selected watches hazardous of non-weather events that affect the following counties: San Luis Obispo, Santa Barbara, Ventura, and Los Angeles counties and their adjacent coastal waters.
Or visit weather.gov for the latest weather. Waters forecast.
County, San Bernardino County, San Diego County, and the coastal waters from San Mateo Point to the Mexican border and out 60 nautical miles, including San Clemente Island. A test signal was broadcasted to test the public warning system. The test is normally conducted between 10 a.m. and noon each Wednesday, weather permitting. The signal was also used to test the activation and emergency readiness of the Skylar network of radio operators.